Hi, this is Lee from Pat IT. It's coming up to that time of year again where we get these little hedge trimmers out and start chopping away at our hedges. This actually belongs to one of our customers. It's going up for resale. Somebody's used it, accidentally sliced through the cable with these nice wide teeth and done a very good repair. I say a very good repair, good example I should say. Now look, this is a very poor repair. It's a good example of what not to do. This thing is not suitable and sufficient. Even if you was to cover it in insulation tape, will not make it a suitable and sufficient repair. Now if you do slice through the flex, go and seek professional advice. Call an electrician, call us. Don't attempt a repair like this. If you snag this, you've then got 230 volts flapping around in the wind. If that touches you, it's going to hurt. Trust me, 230 volts is not a nice feeling. Don't attempt repairs like this. Contact an electrician. Get a competent person to rewire it. Don't attempt this. Got any questions? Call us, email us, leave comments below. Thank you very much for watching.